I have a lot. I'm going to try to do it before I leave today. Get all three of them. The next shape that we're going to talk about is a pyramid. And here you can see the volume of a pyramid, a little bit different. It's 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. And again, the area of the base will depend on the shape of the base. So a triangular base, the area would be what? What's the formula for the area of a triangle? 1/2 base times height. It's a square area of the base. Length times width, or actually if it's a square, it's actually side squared. Alright, so here's our problem. This is actually a picture of, this is a pyramid that sits outside the Louvre Museum in Paris. It is an entrance to the museum. So you can see it's the height. The height is 21.64 meters. The base is 35.4 meters, or one side of the base is 35.4 meters. Again, all you need to do is plug in the numbers. Write down 1/3. Now in this case, instead of writing the B, write down the formula for the area of the square. You can use length times width. My preference is to use side squared because it's a square. And then the height. And then all you have to do is plug these numbers into your calculator. So it's 1/3 times 35.4 squared times the height, 21.64. Now, just so we're clear, multiplying by 1/3 is the same as what? Dividing by 3. So you'll do this calculation first, and then divide by 3. Yes, Ken?
Why'd you put 35.4 square?
Good question. Why did I do that?
I know it's a square.
Because there's
What do you know about the sides of a square? They're all equal. So if the area is length times width, and if length and width are the same, so now we just go to our calculator. We do 35.4 squared times 21.64 equals, divide by 3, equals, we get 9039.46, which will then round to the nearest whole number. So we get 9039 cubic meters. And that's really all there is to it. It's not difficult. Stretching with questions. Okay, does anybody have any questions? Yes, sir.
side squared.
Jack?
I'm just confused. Like you said something like squared. I thought this was a pyramid.
The base of the pyramid is in the shape of a square. Okay?
That makes sense.
Good. Okay. Try this one. Okay. Now we have a pyramid where we're not told the height, but what we are told is the slant height. Why?
What's the difference between slant height and slant height?
The slant height goes up the side. The height goes to the middle. So just like we've done previously when we were figuring out the lateral area and surface area of a pyramid, what you need to do is recognize what kind of triangle is formed here in the middle. A right triangle.
I was.
Hey, question, question, where does the 20 come from? Half of 40, good, remember, the side goes all the way across, this is a radius, it's halfway, well, it's not really radius, but it's halfway across. So step number 1 is to use the Pythagorean theorem. Am I going to be adding or subtracting? Why subtracting, Dylan? That's right. We have the hypotenuse. So we start off with our Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We have a, not a squared plus b squared plus c squared. Equals c squared equals 25 squared. Can anybody get this without even?
625. Yes.
The answer?
Squared is 400.
Does it, what? 20 squared is 400.
25 squared is 625. Subtract 400 from 625 and get
224.
200 something. Just square root of 15.
Okay, so now you know the height. So this b, that's the height.
Oh, where's the H?
Now you go to your formula, 1/3 times area of the base times the height. Now, you have to be told it's a square pyramid. It doesn't say it, but we'll say that it is. So it's 1/3. My side is 40 squared times the height, which is 15. Again, I like to simplify first. So I'm going to simplify. Now you can just plug this in your calculator. 40 squared times 15 divided by 3. Me, I'm going to do 1600 times 5, which gives me 8,000 cubic feet. The way I got 5 was 15 divided by 3. 40 squared I know is 1600. So the answer is 8,000 cubic feet. You have a question? Does anybody have a question?